Hi guys, Greenstar back with a review here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Clone Drive all-in-one HDD docking station. Now, as you can see, I am sitting on, oh god, so many old hard drives. We got a couple over here. See, plenty of old hard drives just floating around. I have no clue what's on them. I'd like to get rid of them, but I can't because I don't know what's on them. I want to check them first. So this is what I'm going to do is I picked this up. This was like 20 bucks on eBay. Clone Drive, it's probably some kind of Chinese thingy. As you can see, it's good for all the different kinds of drives. So it's SATA drives, IDE, so all those type of drives on it. Hopefully it'll be the larger ones, the bigger ones, smaller ones. You can see here is the specs for it. Compatible with USB desktop. I'm going to be using it with my desktop or my laptop. It holds both the 2.5 and 3.5s. Hard disk drives on any capacity. Has USB stuff. Let's see if there's anything there. Nothing there. Is USB. USB is how it connects. I don't know if it has power. Definitely made in China. Yep, there you go, right there. It's good for all kinds of cool stuff. All right, nothing underneath. So it looks like on the top. Let's crack this open and see what we get. All right, first thing we get, we get the power pack. The power pack looks like this. Pretty standard issue power pack. Going along with our cord. So it is powered, which is good because I didn't, it doesn't really show any type of power. So I was worried it wasn't going to be powered. It does come with a USB to, I don't know what that thing is right there, but that cord. So it does come with the cord. That's the data connection cord. Let's put this aside. Let's pull out this stuff. This is what it also comes with. It does come with a hardware cloning manual, so a manual for how to use it, and it does come with some software, a driver to use it. Installation and manual CD. It's kind of cool. I mean, probably also comes with online. So this is the unit for the part. See what we got. Okay, that's what it looks like. So you can see it does have the parts for all kinds of, let's check out one of these. Let's see, where's it going to go? It'll go just like this. Put it in. Oh, there it goes. Tucks right in there. Tucks fairly firmly. Cool. Let's try a bigger one. This is one of the bigger ones. You can see right there. Oops. Oh, right there. Bonk. Okay. This is going to go in the exact same spot as that one right there. These are for the old pin drives. So let's see if I have one of those floating around. This would be for the older. Nope, that is a newer one. And let's see if we got one here. I think there's one right there. Okay. So this is one of the older style. God, how old is this? This is an 80 gig. Woo! Big 80 gig. Probably haven't been used in frickin' forever. This is kind of going to be a pain. Does it pop? Oh, that's the power button on it. Let's see. This might be a little pain in the butt trying to get this in. Does this whole thing come out? Nope. Oh, my guess is if I can get it into that, it'll go in. There it goes. Ooh, that actually fit in pretty easily. So that's what it's going to look like when you get in your hard drives. Let's take these out. Cool. Okay, pull this out. Let's take some of this plastic out. This stuff always bugs the poop out of me. Oh, all right. So what do we all have on the back here? We have the power drive. It has a SATA plug-in right there, USB. That's the DC. And then the front, it has all kinds of different drives in here. USB host drives, SD slot, 9-pin. Well, these are the 30 pins. XDTF, so it's got all kinds of, as you can see closely, that's what it all has in it. And there's going to be LEDs for starting it up. Cool. I think that's going to be the power button to get going. It doesn't feel, it feels kind of, whoa, what's this thing? Ooh, let's see. Oh, for 12 volt. Okay, I got cloning device, hard disk cloning device. I'm really excited. This must be the power button to turn it on or whatever. I am fairly excited to use this just because I want to see what's on my older hard drives. So that's what that looks like. Why don't we do a pause and I'll plug her in. Okay, so we have my computer set up here. What I want to do is, God, this is a brand new computer. I've only had it for maybe a month or two. Not even a month. Let me get this stupid thing open. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, come on. What is going on here? Oh, I see it. I think. There it goes. Okay. Pull this. Oh, drop it, break it, whatever. And let's put this in the CD drive. Start it up. See what it does. Okay, there we are. So, files currently on the disk. Desktop. Configuration setting. Let's do open autoplay. Let's do that. Ooh. You're just drivers. Do we even need where is that piece of paper? What does it say? Say what do we need here? Okay. Yes, if the device does not have this key. Maybe I can just set it up. Let's try it. Here is, I got this all ready and plugged in. Okay, you can see, there we go. Let's grab one of our, oh, here we go. Put this in, and we'll get it tucked in. Okay, just like that. So you can see it got plugged in. Now we need the USB cable, wherever the heck I put that. It's back here. We'll open that up. Okay, notice I didn't use any lighting for this. Huh. Okay, the USB goes in the back. Like there. Okay. And plug it into the computer itself. Okay. And let's turn it on. Ooh, so the unit did that when you turned it on. And okay, let's see what we got. Okay, what do we got? Let's see if it shows up. Network. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to give it a pause and we will jump cut. Okay, so after some work, I did get it running. It just took a little bit. So this, what it came up is I just go to my, this PC, and as you see, I'll show it like this. Let's turn it off real quick, and it'll go away. There it goes. Okay, and when I turned it on, came up, USB driver G. And that's not the one. It's going to come up as F. There is a problem with that. Said there was a problem. I just scanned and fixed it, and I went to here and had some old music that I was sharing with a friend. So there's all Alabama Shakes. So that's how it works. It's actually very simple. Plug and play. I didn't need to do I didn't need to add software or any of that stuff. That's how it works. It works fairly well. So you can see it's all done. And that's it. Now I haven't used the, I don't have any, SD cards handy on hand. I checked those out, but I'm sure it's just going to work exactly the same. So it's actually pretty solid. So this is how it's going to look, and that's how it works. And the red light's on. I noticed that the cord does have a short, so it might be an old cord or a crappy cord. I think I'd rather have a better cord. But other than that, yeah, so that's how that works. It is all set up and ready to roll. All right. Well, thanks for checking out. If you have any questions, just leave them on the thing and I'll try to answer them for you. Other than that, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Keep on checking all the videos. Check out all the rest of like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Like and share if you dug it. And that's about it. All right. Well, thanks for checking this out, and I will see you later.